My husband was in hospital recently. He didn't follow instructions, not there and not during recovery. Not because he is stubborn, not because he is unkind, but he needed to feel in control. When your body starts failing you, control feels like survival. 3 weeks later, after struggling more than he needed to be, he finally accepted to follow instructions. And things shifted fast. Around the same time, something similar was happening in friendship. No fight, no drama, no misunderstandings. People quietly stepping back, not to punish, but to protect themselves. That is when it landed to me. Rigidity isn't arrogance, but it is fear trying to stay upright. You can't love people into changing. You can only invite them. And people who soften, well, they tend to have more visitors.